Hey everyone, HKC's latest product, the Andemare NT272VF Pro, has caused quite a stir in the Chinese gaming monitor industry. Packed with features, this gaming monitor is developed to provide gamers the best possible gaming experience. A sharp 1920 by 1080 resolution is provided by a 27-inch fast IPS screen, which is the central component of the HKC. With a peak brightness of 400 nits, the monitor guarantees vivid images. Nonetheless, its remarkable 280Hz refresh rate is its most remarkable attribute. With a higher refresh rate, there will be less input lag and screen tearing, giving players a more responsive and fluid gaming experience. One of the key highlights of this monitor is its lightning-fast 1 millisecond GTG response time, which effectively minimizes motion blur and ghosting, especially during fast-paced gaming sessions. The HKC also supports both AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync technologies, ensuring tear-free and stutter-free gameplay for users with compatible graphics cards. To enhance the gaming experience further, HKC has integrated several game assistance features into the HKC. These include a timer for tracking gaming sessions, a customizable game crosshair, and AI-driven dark field brightness enhancement, which adjusts brightness levels dynamically based on the content being displayed. In terms of color accuracy and immersion, the HKC doesn't disappoint. It covers 90% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, holds HDR400 certification, and offers a wide range of 16.7 million colors. This combination ensures that games are displayed with vibrant colors and detailed contrast, creating an immersive visual experience. Ergonomics also play a vital role in the appearance of the HKC. The monitor comes with an adjustable stand that allows for height adjustment, swivel, tilt, and pivot functionality, enabling users to find their optimal viewing position for extended gaming sessions. Its three-sided narrow bezels provide a near-borderless viewing experience, further enhancing immersion. With wide viewing angles of 178 degrees both horizontally and vertically, the monitor maintains consistent color and clarity from almost any perspective, making it suitable for multiplayer gaming setups. Additionally, its VESA mounting compatibility 75 by 75mm pattern allows for easy attachment to wall mounts or monitor arms, offering users a more flexible setup option. Connectivity-wise, the NT272VF Pro offers two HDMI 2.0 ports, one DP 1.4 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The DP 1.4 port supports up to Full HD 280Hz, while the HDMI 2.0 ports can handle up to Full HD 240Hz, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of gaming devices and peripherals. HKC offers the Andemare HKC gaming monitor for a competitive price of 1699 yuan, or about $238. It is positioned as an appealing choice for gamers looking for high-performance features without going over budget, thanks to this price strategy. All things considered, the HKC Andemare NT272VF Pro is a feature-rich gaming monitor that combines powerful specifications with an immersive visual experience and an ergonomic appearance, making it an attractive option for players who want to improve their gameplay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.